it's Lori. Thanks for coming back. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Lori and I am with Giggle Girl Arts. I like to do arts and crafts videos. And while you're here, don't forget to give a like and subscribe. And be sure to leave a comment. I like it, if people talk, answer questions, things like that. So make sure you say something or just say hi. All right, so I've been working on the 5 Days of Fall collaboration with Dear Julie and Kara Brandon. They each made a kit of digital images, and then I'm using that from each of them and a few other things, and working on some junk journal pages. So the first thing I've got here is a page ensemble. Oh, before I get started, let me show you a clip from yesterday that shows my day 2 digitals. I trimmed this from this towel that I shared in my latest video about some happy mail I received and a few things that I picked up. And that is probably going to be the cover for my fall journal. Then I added some lace. When you open it, I took half of Kara's digital page and made it into 2 pockets. Then on the other side of the scrapbook paper, I added a book page and did some stamping. And I added these 2 little images from Kara's day 1. Then I made a couple of journaling cards, and I added a book page to the back. I really like this one. It's so pretty. So to embellish, I added some washi tape, another piece of Julie's little ephemera, and some stickles. And when you go to the back, I used more of Julie's ephemera, and I made a pocket right here, and it holds the flinch card and the reward of merit card and the business card. And I also, to make it a double pocket, used a piece of scrapbook paper that was left over, a scrap of scrapbook paper, and I used the other side of the digital page, collage page of Kara's, and I made a hidden journaling card, and I used for the inside a coffee dyed index card. So I thought that was fun. I have never made one of these before. They're so cool. I love them. I saw both Kara make some and then Julie, and I think when I saw Kara's first, she had gotten the idea from someone else. So you can go to Kara Brandon Creations or Dear Julie and type in hidden journaling cards and watch their videos if you like. I thank you so much for tuning in and returning if you're a return viewer. Don't forget to leave me a like, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and watch one of these other videos. It really helps my channel. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.